Thank you to everyone who has been supporting me, and you can also give extra support if you would like to over on my Patreon. The link for Patreon will be down below. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Hey everyone, if you want to see how I got this red look, you could click up top. And in this video, we're going to be doing orange, and it is so beautiful. I love the colors, which I know we're going into July. But I want to continue Pride because Pride is what? Year long. Don't fight me. Fight nobody because I don't like fighting.
Hey, listen!
So if you want to see an updated foundation routine, you could click the video up there or in my description. I probably won't even put it there. But yeah. I'm going in with this Beauty Glaze Color Fusion Over the Rainbow palette. I am not sponsored by anyone, so this came out of my own money. Yeah. Really cheap, effective, affordable, type of cheap and affordable, the same words basically. It's a really cheap Amazon eyeshadow palette, but it's really colorful as all the colors of the Pride flag. So I mean, where can you go wrong? If you need color in your life, do some eyeshadow and mix it up. This whole experience was very different for me because I never did orange by itself. I did yellow and orange, which was like a sunset type of vibe, and it was really cute, and I was like, I have to do this again. But yeah, none of the colors stained my eyelids. Like, it was really cool. I'm showing the brush and I'm going in with the second color, and the second color is very much just kind of filling out the rest of the eye and like laying down where I'm going to be putting my shimmer. So yeah, it's really just a chill makeup look. You know, I haven't been that active on TikTok where I was doing these looks originally, and then I decided, you know, might as well do it for YouTube also. I haven't really been active. I have a thing, it's called depression. Some people have it, some people don't. The thing that really affects me is my depression, and it gets me a lot. And you know, I can't really just be happy-go-lucky all the time. Like, it affects me, and I don't feel like showing my face every day online. And this is the shimmer. The shimmer is so pretty. Every single shimmer in this palette I love so far. I didn't get to do the yellow. The yellow I went in with a different palette because I wanted to give diversity, and then I didn't really like some of the glitter in the yellow one. It was a little chunky and it wasn't finely milled like this one, so I prefer this palette. But the yellow one, the yellow look came out really cute, but I like this palette a lot more. And I'm just reinforcing a lot of the colors. And basically, you want to, when you're doing these type of looks, or if you want something to be pigmented, you have to go back in sometimes to reinforce the color. So that's what I was doing. I was making sure that the colors were showing up, they were present, they, you know, the look it's giving. Even though my shirt is turmeric, which is a little bit more yellow, but that's okay. I don't have any orange shirts, I'm sorry, and if I do, I can't find it, which I know I don't have any. But yeah, it was a really cute look. Like, I really love it, and I plan on doing a makeup look for my birthday and probably just like opening up to you guys. And like, you know, it's a big year for me. I'm about to be 30. Yeah, a lot has happened, and I would like to share a little bit of that with you guys, and also just do my makeup and stuff like that. I have an idea in mind, but not fully, but I have a construct. I'm gonna have something which is very personal to me because it's personal. I'm not gonna say, but in that video I will say it's very cute. But yeah, it's personal to me, and I'm gonna be using that in part of the makeup look, so I'm not gonna spoil anything, but I'm giving a little teaser. But yeah, it's gonna be really cute, I hope. I don't know. but I want to film it and I'm gonna post it, so that'll probably be the next video. Yeah, no, that's like next week, the week after next week, whatever. I don't know. Time is like time's a construct. You know. I'm joking, it'd be so stupid. I don't know when this video of mine is coming out with my makeup for my birthday, but I messed up. It was a fail. Ah! Messing up. Oh my god. I can't. Do you see that right here? Bitch. I tried wiping it off with my finger. I couldn't, so I had to spot conceal. And I went in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And yeah, that I love that concealer so much. It is really, really nice. And I just spot concealed and I brought some over to the other side and I just fixed it. And I feel like that's really pretty much about it. I fixed the spot concealed. I spot concealed and then I wipe off all the excess bake on my face. Then I went in on my waterline with the Rimmel London Scandalized Eyes, whatever it's called. I don't even know the name, girl. I went in with Rimmel I went in with some eyeliner and I tight lined or whatever. I did my waterline. Then I did my mascara, and honestly, if you have dark eyes like me, I have dark brown eyes, do a dark smoky eye or like a black around the eye. It will pull out the eye color so much. Depending on your eyeshadow, obviously. But you can see the color of my eye a lot clearer than you could without makeup. Let's be honest. I know some people will probably be in the comments being like, you should have done that orange. It would have been so pretty. It would have tied the look together. Girl, it's my look, not yours. And I want my eyes to look good. And this is the end of the video. And I did a in-person, I did an in-person thing where I literally said the outro. So yeah, enjoy. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my other bits of social media. So if you guys do not know, I have a Patreon. If you would like to give some extra love and support, you can over on my Patreon. And these are the supporters I have currently. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.